welcome back to my video. Bitcoin bulls may win big as 2K moving Avengers prepare to cross. Bitcoin lost a key bear market trend line last week as it shed practically 12%. However, other outline information over a slaver leaning for balance, as indicated by famous Twitter client Dave the Wave on August 24. Long haul moving midpoints are going to rehash exemplary bullish way of behaving. Investigator bulls cloud be going to get long nicely. BTC or USD frustrated over the course of the end of the week as it put in lows unheard of since the finish of July. From that point forward, $22,000 has offered just feeble help, and fears spread the new laws are coming. One of the steps back from the slump was the 2000 week MIA. Information from Cointelegraph, Market Pro and TradingView show a level which had flipped from protection from help the month early. Recently back above and buy bounce back this week. The 200 week MIA over a decade on the absence of solidarity in Bitcoin. How much FOMO we saw on CT in the beyond about 14 days during the $25 rally is remarkable. This bull trap nearly needs to walk out. Examiner future founder summed up after the 200 week ME profit as help, noticing the way of behaving of the 15 week and 100 week MEs not less. Recommended the all probably won't be lost. In his Twitter string, Dave the Wave showed that the previous is going to get over that less often, and before this has been trailed by supported cost development. He added that 5 months prior, the same pair of MEs had set the incoming market downtrend, which saw BTC or USD hit a macro bottom of $90 in June. The exemplary bicycle to pointer, which has gotten large scale bottom over Bitcoin time, was at that point becoming green in July, loaning weight to the possibility that June rally was a long-term floor. In a report on this week, Nothing Standing, observed Mills Johal recognized that bulls expected to clear more significant level to keep the norm positive. Thank you for watching. See you.